Alright guys, in today's video I just got my new Lone Rider semi-rigid luggage for my beautiful 2024 1250 BMW GSA, and I just had it delivered to my front door. There it is, and I'm gonna unbox it and let you see what it looks like coming straight out of the box. I have not seen this yet. I ordered this on Thursday and it is now Monday. Very quick delivery on this. Super happy. Oh, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, what do we got? It's pretty heavy. Oh, there we go. Strong Velcro. Oh, look at this. They gave us toys. Ooh. Carrying strap. Oh, yeah. Stickers. I know exactly where I'm going to be putting these, right up on my toolbox. One. And this one fell down. This is from my Tusk. I'm going to try it on this surface here. They don't seem to stick because my garage gets hot. So they don't seem to stick. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, that looks so good. Gotta climb a Tusk and a Lone Rider. Man, what a functional, piece of gear this is. You can see inside. It has, look at all that. Look at all that all those compartments. Yeah, so anyway, let me continue on. Let's see what else we got in the bag here. I think that's for if you have something other than a GSA. I believe these things come, from what I saw online, they come set up for a GSA. These are got a nice Torx wrench, and look at this. They even gave me a freaking, oh, here's a lock. Nice. All right. So, I got my headlight on. I'm installing these things now. I figured out how to get the plastic liner in the bag, and it's actually not too hard. It goes in like that, so it's flat. You do have to reverse it because the Velcro, these two Velcro things over here, they need to be reversed in order for that to work. And then you just have to smash it in there, and it makes the bag hold its shape. On my GS, I had to take off this reflector in order for this rack to work. So the Torx Allen that they gave you with the bike, or with the bag, I'm sorry, doesn't fit, as you can see. Too big. It takes a T25 to get that off, and it's just, when you have the right tool, it's just easy. You just take these two screws out, and this thing just literally falls right off. Okay, and this reflector comes right off. Save this when you're not using your luggage, and then it leaves those two little welded tabs. These bags come with a key right here. This key fits both sides. And so, in my opinion, I don't like keys, but whatever. See how that looks You just can't quite get this thing to clear with these two bottom things away from those. But if you slide them up like that, and then you put this on, and it goes right over, and this just pushes down like that. And then once you get that pushed down, and it is kind of hard to push down, but not that hard. I'm making it look harder than it actually is, probably. Yeah, once you get that pushed down, you just take your key and you lock it. And there you go. And now this will not come off. Take your dust cap, pop it back on, and there you have it. By the way, only one injury so far. It's just a flesh wound. Don't worry. I'll be alright. Alright. So there you have it. Look at those bags, would you? Alright, so you just take this part right here, line it up with that hole, and slide it in. It is a little bit difficult to get in, as you can see, but once it's in, then you can go ahead and put your lock in there and make sure your combination is set to where you set it, and boom, there you have it. These bags are unbelievable. I absolutely love them. Everything about them I love. They are so well made. They are so nice looking. They have so many features. They have just done an incredible job with these bags. So that's my first impression, is that I have no complaints. Zero. And they're not hard to put on. I'm making them look harder than I should. On your bike. Yeah, let me get this headlight off. Yeah, it's a good look, right? Hey man, if you never use one of these headlights, you're missing out. He looks tough, he looks rugged, he looks like he's ready to go. I'm not so sure about me, but we'll give it a try. I am going on a trip in 2 days. I'm going to do some GoPro, and I'm going up from Florida to Georgia. And so I'm going to stop through Ocala and see some places there on this beautiful GSA 1250. And so I'll be bringing you some video on that. I also have ordered a Chiggy AIO-5 navigator infotainment screen, and I hear really good things about it on YouTube, and I'm going to test it out myself. So I'm going to do an unboxing for that as well. And so anyway, hope you tune in for that, and I hope you tune in for my ride to Georgia. I'm going to try to stop by some interesting places on that ride, and we'll see how this Lone Rider luggage rides, and how it holds up, and how I like it on the road. This is exactly what I thought it would be when I ordered it. In fact, it's even better, honestly, than I thought it would be. All right, until the next video, see ya.